Hey guys, welcome to Fab and Funky. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make homemade air dry clay. So for this you need some corn flour, or you can take some all-purpose flour, white vinegar and some water. You also need white glue. Here I am taking some corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can use all-purpose flour. Now I am using vinegar. Vinegar is used as preservative. If you don't want to store your clay, you can skip it. Mix it nicely. Add small quantity of water and mix it very nicely. Now add some white glue and prepare a dough. If your dough is dry, you can use some white glue, or if your dough is wet, you can use some all-purpose flour or corn flour. Here my clay is ready. Let's make it more colorful. So here I am using acrylic colors. You can use some food colors as well. And mixing it very nicely. Adding some more color. So my colorful clay is also ready. I have made these beautiful flowers out of this clay. You can also make it. To store this clay, put it in a Ziploc poly bag. And keep this in airtight container in a refrigerator. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.